So I'm going to start with my meats. I'll be using some cow leg and some pomo. I've already seasoned this, so I'm just putting them in my instant pot. I seasoned them with some salt and seasoning cubes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Then I'll cover this and pressure cook for 30 minutes. So in a separate pot, I'll be cooking my beef. I'm not cooking my beef with the cow leg and the pomo because those ones are hard. By the time they are ready, my meat will be too soft. So I'm just cooking this in a regular pot. And I'm adding some red habanero peppers. I season this with some salt and seasoning cubes. So I like to cook my meat without water first, just to make sure the water from the beef comes out before I add some water. So now I'm just flipping it to the other side. One side is cooked. It's not cooked through though. So I'm just flipping it to the other side, and then I'll cover this again and let it cook some more. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of water to cook the beef through. Now the cow leg and the momo are ready. So I'm just going to release the pressure. So I'm just checking to see if it's cooked through to my liking. So I'll drain this and set this aside. Now I'm adding my pomo and cow leg into my beef. And I'm just going to let them simmer together for about 5 minutes so that the flavors can be incorporated. Now I'm going to prepare my leaves. So I have my okazi leaves here. It's only the dry one I could find here. So I'm just going to soak this. And then I'll set this aside and work on the water leaves. So I'm just cutting my water leaves. I like the water leaves I find there. They're usually very dry, like they don't release a lot of water into your soup. So I'm just cutting my water leaves and then I'll set this aside too. Alright, so I'm going to start adding other things to this soup now. I'm starting with my dried fish, smoked prawns. I'll mix this well. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'll add my fresh pepper and some grounded crayfish. Now I'm going to add in my water leaves and cover this and let it cook. Now I'm adding some palm oil and my okazi paste. So I blended the soaked okazi leaves. And I'm going to add this and mix it well. I'm adding the remaining bit of my crayfish because I want the crayfish flavor to show. And then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 5 minutes more. After about 5 minutes, it looks like this. So I'm just going to give this a quick mix. And then you can taste for seasoning. Mine didn't need any extra salt because it has big beef stock, it has crayfish, all those things already have salt, so it was fine like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 5 p.m. West African Time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.